Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English workshop with me, Manu. Today, I'm going to start a series of videos on reading skills. I'm going to start with the newspaper reading. We're going to read a lot of newspaper headlines. These are going to be really short videos. Now, I've told you that reading is very important to improve your English skills. Not just me, a lot of people have said that. But what we're going to do is we're going to tell you how to read. When you read, what are you supposed to do? See, how to analyze the reading. Today, I'm going to look at newspaper headlines. And over time, we'll look at articles and the whole gamut. As far as possible, will be covered. All right. You'll hear a lot of vehicles and all that because I'm sitting on the balcony and our road is going right in front. So that's going to be a regular feature. All right. Today, I'm going to take up today's paper, the 10th of May, Sunday, the Times of India. This is the Times of India. The newspaper headline today's is this. It says, corporations ramp up steps to tackle mosquitoes. This is the main headline. Below that, you find, let me see, look at this. Propose to shift 50% COVID staff for drive. Let's understand the headlines first. Corporations, the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, obviously, and all those different corporations, north, south, east, west, they said they're going to ramp up. Ramp up means increase the number, like take more steps, ramp up the steps. So you ramp up a lot of things. You ramp up your efforts, increase your efforts. You ramp up the scores, so increase your score. You can ramp up anything you want. So to tackle mosquitoes, obviously there are lots of mosquitoes. You have to deal with them, you have to handle them, you have to tackle them. So what means is that corporations are going to take up more steps to reduce the problems the mosquitoes create. Right. The subheading is propose to shift 50% COVID staff for drive. Propose means it is not yet decided. The corporations are thinking of diverting, moving, shifting 50% of the staff from the COVID activities to this mosquito problem, the mosquito menace. Problem, menace. So what do you think this news is all about? It's about what the corporations are trying to do to reduce the mosquito menace. All right, let's look at the first paragraph. It says, declaring malaria to be a notified disease and diverting 50% of the field staff from COVID-related duties to anti-mosquito drives are some of the new steps that the municipal corporations have recommended to keep the mosquito-borne diseases under control. So what are the steps? The steps are, first, declaring malaria to be a notified disease, diverting 50% of the field staff from COVID duties to controlling the mosquito menace. Well, these are the two things that they have said. Okay, so these are the recommendations of the corporations. That's why it says propose. Propose, recommend, suggest. Nothing has been concrete yet. They are still being suggested. Nothing has been finalized yet. Now fixed. All right, so let's wait for the next headline video. Till then. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like this video. Share this if you think this is going to help people. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I love reading your comments as well. So see you in the next video then. Till then, be safe. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.